Okay, in this video we'll show you how to set up your generic page, and we're just going to use one page for now to run all our test necklaces on. Okay, and then later on we can actually create dedicated pages once we find niches that work really well, and that's fine to do. But to set up, we want to have one place where we can basically advertise all our necklaces quite easily, and that page will build up a bunch of likes and everything just through our testing. So go back to your business manager, and under add new you can see where you can do pages, and we're going to create a page right in here, and it's going to be attached to the that account. Alright, so we can do whatever we want, cause or community, entertainment, brand or product. So we probably want to do brand or product, and we'll just call it I love necklaces, and we will call it a not clothing. Oh, there we go, jewelry and watches. Great page. And it'll take a second here. And basically the page is now set up, and when you hit refresh you'll see it down here in the bottom. I had to hit refresh to get this to show, but this is so this is the page, so we can click it and then it'll bring us to setting it up like the rest of the steps. So tell us what your page is about. We love necklaces. If you do too, then you're in the right place. I won't do too many. And then we could do a personal one. I love necklaces. And then we don't really have a website, so we'll just do save info. What? Facebook address must include, oh yeah, you can't do, that may or may not work. Oh, it's taken. Okay, you know what? Just save it. We don't really need a dedicated one anyway. So now we need a profile picture, and what I like to do is I like to import it from a website. So I'll just kind of go to Google and get one. Then I'll just do this. Necklaces, and do images. Or I'll do a necklace icon. See what comes up. There, stuff like that. So you can do colored ones. That's a cool one. Let's have a look at that. That's neat. So I'll just do copy link address, import from website, and then I'm going to paste this link right in here, but I get a lot of junk in here. Wow. It's an interesting URL. Oh, that took the Google one. Okay, oops. I don't want that. I want this. Click on it. And then copy image URL. That should be better. It should end in like a PNG or JPEG or whatever. Import. There we go. Save photo. Now, tell us about the people you most like to connect with. So I'll just do this. Actually, I'm just going to go worldwide here. Interest. Necklaces. Necklace, even bigger. Look at that, 53 million. Wow. And I could say this, like Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Australia. You can add in countries too if you want. The entire country has been included. Okay. And then just do like, I typically don't like to go below 25 anyway. Then click save. And that's just to give Facebook an idea of when they're showing your ads, who to show them from to. Sorry. Everything you need to manage your page, blah, 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 blah. We don't even need this. Don't need this. We've got our icon. That's what's going to show in the ads. So now our generic page is created. We could add a cover if we wanted. Facebook will bug you to do that. That's up to you. We don't really need one, but we can certainly add one later. You can find all the details on that. Just click add a cover and it'll ask you to upload a photo. I think it's 815 pixels by 316 or something like that. That's the dimensions, so it's up to you. But the key is we have a generic page created that we can now put all our test necklaces on to gauge the response. Okay, so that's what we need to be done. Mission accomplished, and we're on to the next one.